Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It is so good to be here with you today.
It is great to see you, Paul. We are back. It is a new year.
Yes, Happy New Year, Emily, and Happy New Year to everyone listening.
Happy New Year. I love the beginning of the year. It feels fresh.
Yes, fresh and clean, a new start. How are you feeling today?
I am feeling very motivated. I have a lot of energy. And you?
I am good. I am happy, but I am also a little tired. The holidays were very busy.
I understand. Lots of food and late nights?
Yes, too much food and too many late nights. But now it is time to get back to normal.
Exactly. And that is our topic for today. We're talking about my daily routine at the beginning of the year.
Ooh, I need this topic. I need a good routine. My routine right now is a mess.
Don't worry, Paul. We can help you. We will talk about morning habits, work habits, and night habits.
That sounds perfect. I am ready to learn.
Me too. But Paul, before we start our chat, we have a favor to ask our friends.
Yes, we do. If you like our podcast, please click the like button now. It helps us very much.
And please subscribe to Mr. English Channel. We want you to see every new episode.
And share this video with your friends. Maybe your friends need a new routine too.
Yes. Okay, Paul, let's talk about the morning.
The morning, the hardest part of the day.
Oh no, why is it hard?
Because my bed is warm and the room is cold. I just want to sleep.
I know the feeling, but a good morning starts the night before.
The night before? What do you mean?
I mean, you need to sleep enough. But my first tip for the morning is about your phone.
My phone? I love my phone. It is my alarm clock.
Yes, but what do you do when the alarm rings?
I turn off the alarm and then I check my messages. I check the news. I look at social media.
No, Paul.
No? Why not? Everyone does it.
That is the problem. When you look at your phone immediately, you start your day with stress. You look at other people's lives.
That is true. Sometimes I see bad news and I feel sad.
Exactly. So my first tip for a new routine, do not look at your phone for 30 minutes.
30 minutes? Wow, that is a long time.
It is, but you can do it. You can wake up, stretch your body, and open the window.
Open the window. Look at the sky. That sounds nice.
It is very calm. It helps your brain wake up slowly.
Okay, I will try. No phone for 30 minutes. What is the next tip?
The next tip is about water.
Water? Like a shower?
A shower is good too, but I mean drinking water.
Ah, okay. I usually drink coffee first.
Coffee is delicious. I love coffee. But your body needs water first. You slept for 8 hours. You are thirsty.
I never think about that. My body is thirsty.
Yes, so drink a big glass of water before your coffee.
Cold water or warm water?
I like warm water with a little lemon. It is good for your stomach.
Fancy. Okay, water first, then coffee. I can do that.
Great. Now you are awake. You are hydrated. What about breakfast?
I usually eat a piece of toast, or sometimes nothing.
Oh, Paul. Breakfast is energy. You need fuel for your car, right?
Yes.
Food is fuel for your body. Try to eat something healthy, like eggs or fruit or oatmeal.
Oatmeal is good. It is warm.
Yes, it gives you energy for a long time. You won't feel tired at 10 a.m.
That is a good point. Sometimes I get very tired at 10 a.m.
That is because you need a better breakfast.
Okay, no phone, drink water, eat a good breakfast. My morning is looking better.
Much better. Now let's talk about the day, about work or study.
Yes, in January, I have a lot of work. It feels heavy.
It can feel heavy, so we need a plan. Do you use a list?
A list? Sometimes. I write things on small papers, and then I lose the papers.
Oh, Paul, you need one notebook, just one.
One notebook. Okay.
Every morning, write down 3 important things, just 3.
Only 3? But I have 10 things to do.
I know, but if you look at a list with 10 things, you feel stressed.
Yes, I panic.
So choose the 3 most important things, the must-do things.
The must-do list. I like that. It is simple.
And do the hardest thing first.
The hardest thing first? Why? I want to do the easy thing first.
We all want to do the easy thing, but in the morning, your brain is fresh. You have energy.
That is true. In the afternoon, my brain is slow.
Exactly. So do the difficult job in the morning. Then the rest of the day is easy.
That is smart. It feels good to finish the hard job.
It feels amazing. You feel proud.
Okay, I will try that. But, Emily, I sit at a desk all day. My back hurts.
Yes, sitting is hard on the body. My next tip is move.
Move? Like dance?
You can dance if you want to, but I mean stand up.
Stand up?
Yes, every hour stand up for 5 minutes. Walk to the kitchen, stretch your arms.
Just 5 minutes?
Yes, it helps your blood flow. It wakes up your brain again.
I can do that. I can walk to get more water.
Perfect. You are drinking water and moving. 2 good things.
I am getting very healthy this year.
Yes, you are. Now, Paul, let's talk about the evening, the end of the day.
The evening is for relaxing.
Yes, but many people make a mistake in the evening.
What mistake?
They bring their stress home, or they keep working.
Ah, I do that. I check my emails at night.
No, Paul, the evening is for you. You need to disconnect.
Disconnect. Turn off the work mode.
Yes, change your clothes, put on comfortable clothes. It tells your brain work is finished.
That is a nice idea. Comfortable clothes are the best.
And here is a very special tip for the new year. Gratitude.
Gratitude. That means saying thank you?
Yes, being thankful.
Who do I say thank you to?
To yourself or to the day.
How do I do that?
Before you go to sleep, think of one good thing that happened today.
Just one thing.
Yes, maybe the coffee was good. Maybe the sun was shining. Maybe you had a nice chat with a friend.
Or maybe I finished the hard job on my list.
Exactly. Write it down or just think about it.
Why is this important?
It makes you feel happy before you sleep. You end the day with a positive thought.
That is beautiful. Sometimes I go to sleep worrying about problems.
Many people do, but worrying does not help. Positive thoughts help you sleep better.
I want to sleep better. Sleep is so important.
It is the most important thing. Try to go to bed at the same time every night.
Even on weekends?
Well, maybe not on weekends. But during the week, yes, a routine helps your body know when to sleep.
So if I go to bed at 11 p.m., my body gets tired at 11 p.m.
Exactly. Your body is like a clock.
Wow, Emily, these are great tips. They are simple, but they change everything.
They really do. You don't need to change your whole life in one day, just small steps.
Small steps. I like that.
So let's see if we remember the plan.
Oh, a test. Okay, let's remember together.
Paul, what was the first thing in the morning? The don't do rule.
Ah, yes. Don't look at the phone. No social media for 30 minutes.
Perfect. And then, what do we drink?
We drink a big glass of water, maybe with lemon.
Yes, good job. And for work, what about the list?
We write a list, but only 3 things, the 3 most important things.
Correct. And which one do we do first?
The hardest one. We do the difficult job when our brain is fresh.
Excellent. You are a good student, Paul.
Thank you. And for the body?
Move. Stand up every hour. Walk a little bit.
Yes, no sitting all day. And finally, the evening.
Yes. Change your clothes, relax, and think of what?
Think of one good thing. Gratitude.
Yes. And then sleep at the same time.
It sounds like a wonderful day. I feel calm just talking about it.
Me too. A routine gives you control. It makes the year easier.
I am going to start tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to start tonight with the gratitude tip.
That is great, Paul. I'm sure our listeners can do it too.
Yes, everyone, you can do this. New year, new you.
I love that. New year, new you.
Emily, I have a question for our listeners.
What is it?
I want to know about their routines.
Good idea.
So everyone, please leave a comment below. What is one thing you want to change in your daily routine this year?
Oh, that is a great question. Maybe they want to wake up earlier or read more books?
Or maybe drink more water. Tell us in the comments. We love reading your ideas.
Yes, please tell us. It inspires us too.
And don't forget, if you liked this chat, please subscribe to Mr. English Channel.
Yes, subscribe and share this episode with your family and friends. Let's have a great year together.
Thank you so much for listening today. It was a pleasure to talk with you, Emily.
Thank you, Paul. Have a wonderful day and good luck with your new routine.
Thank you. See you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone. See you soon.